Hi guys, here's how you can use the retain method to remove items from a vector or a linked list. So I'm going to show you how to use the vector very quickly. So first of all, you're going to do create a vector. Say let's say numbers. The vec of I32 will be it's supposed to be a mutable, right? A mutable vector, right? Because you're going to modify it, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want to get only even numbers from this, so we're going to use numbers dot retain, and then we are going to quickly use a closure. Then we get the reference of numbers, so we just have number here, which gives us a reference of one of this, like more like reference to each of these numbers. So we're going to have number modulus 2 equals to 0. So we know what this means. What this simply means is that if we divide number by 2 and then it gives us whatever number and then remains, there is no remainder, right? The remainder is 0, then we know that this is an even number. The reverse is also the case if it's an odd number. So we just go ahead and print the value that we get. Our print line, we use the print line macro, we get numbers straight up. Oh, we have an error somewhere. Where is the error coming from? Oh, okay. Our main function. It's not a function at all. Numbers veg I32. Okay. Sorry about that. So we have this now. Why do we have more problems? Oh, so sorry. Okay, so that's fixed now. Alright, so we have just the even numbers here, as you can see. Thank you. Okay, I think I'm going to show you one more thing before we go. So we can choose not to use this closure and use a preview function. So let's say we use something like fn even get even, and then we do, this function is going to return true or false, right? It's going to take a number and then it will return an I32, really like the reference to I32, which is just modeling what we have here. Then it will return a bool. Then this returns the bool, right? So we can use whatever we want to return that bool. So, but for me, I'm going to use match, and I'll say n number modulus 2, or should give us something. So if it returns 0, then go ahead and give us true, return true. Otherwise, return false. So the default is false, so return false. So we can take this out. We can take the closure out and put this. So it all depends on you, what works for you in your current situation, whatever you're working on that might require this sort of function. So I think this is good enough for now. We should have a nice day. Bye.